Hello everybody, hope everybody is doing great. In this video, learn how to make $100 per week with Instagram affiliate marketing in 2021. In this affiliate marketing with Instagram series, I'm going to cover like building authority. If you're not making the sales and if you have a follower, the biggest reason is guys, you're not building the authority or the trust or branding. That is the reason you're not making the sales. So I'm going to show you right how you can stand out in a crowded niche. As well as guys, I'm also going to show you right content remodeling. If you're into this right keto diet niche or law of attraction niche guys, it's really difficult to get the sales as well as to grow your account. So I'm going to show you how you can use other people's content, remodeling them without copying them. As well as guys, I'm going to show you hashtag research, which will help you to stand out with your content on those particular hashtag and get the organic followers. And guys, at the end we'll talk about right affiliate marketing, how to promote with Instagram. I'm going to show you the strategy which can help you to make the sales even if you have a 0 followers. And if you're first time here, watch this playlist for free traffic methods, Facebook ad methods, and recently just I completed like Pinterest affiliate marketing series. It's an amazing free traffic method which can give you ongoing affiliate sale. So you can watch this Pinterest series, right? I'm going to bring more videos. And if this makes sense to you guys, do subscribe my channel, put that bell notification. And do not forget to watch this video till the end guys, because Instagram is an amazing platform to get the sales with free traffic. No paid ad is needed, no website is needed. So before we get down to Instagram, I just want to run this funny slides, which is really important. And that is guys, if you're growing and if you're looking to get the sales from Instagram or you want to do affiliate marketing with Instagram, you have to understand Instagram is not the place of selling the affiliate products, okay? But still you can sell the products of affiliates by growing the Instagram. That means guys, you have to grow the Instagram first and then you can get these sales here. So you can't go with a sales mindset to grow the Instagram, okay? Because Instagram is not a marketplace. Instagram want us to create a content to their users, okay? And we create a content and we use hashtag here so that we can show those content to the target audience. And then only guys, you can get the sales from it. As well as guys, important one more thing, that is no value, no trust. No trust, no relationship, no sales, okay? If you're not providing values through your content, you're not going to get any sales there, because once if you provide values, then only you can build the trust there. Then only you can build the relationship with your target audience, so you can engage with them. So your content is very valuable thing if you're starting out with your Instagram in a crowded niche. Your content is only going to show that you have expertise on that particular niche to sell the product. Now the first step of building your account is finding a niche, okay? And there are 3 big niches like health, wealth, and relationship. You can start your Instagram page on any niches guys. If you know the product which you want to sell, affiliate product, you can start a page on any of those niches. But these are the 3 big niches: health, wealth, and relationship. It is hard to rank in these kinds of niches guys, because it's a very crowded niche. There are many pages out there, okay? But it's also a way of getting the sales fast, okay? Because this niches are related to human desire. So we are into law of attraction niche. If you want to rank on that particular niche guys, the secret is the second step, and that is guys, niche down. So we are into law of attraction. If you want to create a page in law of attraction and if you want to rank in this, the first thing you have to see is other pages. Look at this law of attraction live. Look at this pages. It's a huge page. So you have many competitors here, right? The secret of universe, okay? The higher vibe clubs, and look at this, how many followers they have. It's a huge big pages here. So you're competing with these pages. So what you can do here guys, you can do law of attraction through manifestation, visualization, affirmations, and then you can create a dream board. You can have meditation. These are all the different methods, techniques which you can use for law of attraction. So you can pick one of this and you can stand out in this. I'm going to use like manifestation. That's how I name my page, called Manifestation Valley. Okay, the moment I'm going to use this, rest of all my content should be relevant. Everything should be my product which I'm selling, my bio, content, products, hashtag. everything should be relevant to manifestation only. So now the third important step is, guys, following 5 to 10 idle pages on your niche. For example, guys, this is one of the big account in my niche, Law of Attraction on Live. You must follow this kinds of account, guys. But wait a second. Here, guys, instead of following these kinds of big pages, I will recommend you to follow small pages, guys, which have a followers of somewhere between 5,000 to 20,000. Okay, like this kinds of pages. Okay, look at this. This page is having like 5,000 followers here, and this page is having like 10,000 followers, right? And this page is having like 17,000 followers. Okay, why to follow this smaller pages? Because, guys, these pages post a lot, right? They post in different time. You can learn a lot from them. How many time they're posting, what kind of content they're posting, what kind of a hashtag they're posting, as well as you can get the idea of caption also. But these big pages, guys, it's okay to follow these big pages, right? Look at the likes I'm getting here, like 47, right? 37. So this is like 30 or 40 is something my average like. And I have a very small audience here. Only 600 followers I have here. So I think this account for me is a good account than this big huge account. So I'm going to follow this account to learn how they're posting, what kind of a content they're posting. So somewhere between, guys, 5,000 to 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 is good. Look at this, guys, right? How they are posting, they're getting a lot of good likes also. Okay, this is almost near to my page, and this I can easily achieve. Here I'm going to give you a small hack. Right? If you are growing your Instagram through follow and unfollow method, if you follow and do the follow and unfollow method with this kinds of a smaller page, you will get the follower faster than if you're going to do this kinds of big pages. They have very valuable content, guys, here. They will never going to leave this page faster. This I already tested. If you're going to do with a smaller page, you're going to get the followers faster. In any niche, guys, I did this thing in a keto niche, make money online niche, right? If you follow and follow them, that is the chances you're going to get that I'm going to show you in the next video. And then, guys, the most important thing is, right, building the authority. If you're not making the sales, this is because of you're not building the authority. So many people think that building the authority means, right, just a branding. Building authority is not only, guys, it is all about branding. It's all about showing you're an expert, you're the right guy who is recommending them the product, as well as, guys, your marketing strategy. Okay, these are the three things here. And remember this fact, right? If you show them that you're an expert, okay, through your content, through your branding, through your marketing strategy, they will follow your page more. Okay, and also one more fact, that is engagement with brands on Instagram is 10 times higher than Facebook, 54 times higher than Pinterest, and 84 times higher than Twitter. So you can build a brand. It will give you follower, as well as it will also give you sales. So the 5 important thing of building the authority is relevancy. Your account should be relevant, content and value. The post which you're posting should provide value, style and themes. Be consistent on your posting. And, guys, marketing strategy. And relevancy begins from your username itself, guys. Make sure you're using the same or similar to the niche, like Manifestation Valley I used, as well as your bio. Your bio should show them, right, what kind of a post or content they're going to get in your account. Okay? And then, guys, your post here. Make sure post is relevant to your niche, as well as the hashtag and whatever you're using there. Okay, all your hashtags, all this the caption and all, right, should be relevant to this particular niche. Then, guys, your content, definitely, guys, the content is king. That we are going to cover in the next video. So your content should be valuable, whatever the niche you are, right? You are maybe into the keto niche, right? Look at this, the content they are posting here. Okay, they have branded here with their logos and all those things, the secret of universe. So this is an idea you're going to get with the idle account. Okay, also you can learn a lot from the smaller account, because smaller account look a lot of followers and sales here. So you can see this, how good they wrote the bio here. Okay, how they branded here. So that is how you're going to get the idea from here. And then, guys, your style and themes. You need a style and themes, right? So that is the reason I follow this like brown and white kind of a style. Every page have it. Always start with some kind of a style you are following here in the beginning, so stand out. and then you have, guys, be consistent. Starting out with any account, guys, I will recommend you at least post 4 to 6 times if you are into law of attraction and manifestation niche. At least minimum like 4 to 6 times. That all we are going to cover in the next video. Okay, and then you need a marketing strategy too. That means how do you market the product? It's not only about, guys, putting the link in the bio. Okay, look at this, they put the link because this account have a lot of good followers. Maybe they're going to get like some sales, but in your case, I'm going to show you in next upcoming videos, right, how you can even sell the product from 0 followers also from the new account itself. Okay, that I'm going to show you all of this thing here. So this is how you're going to build the authority, guys. These are the 5 most important thing to build the authority, to show them that you're the expert. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to cover like content remodeling, how to do hashtag research, as well as how to promote a affiliate product or Instagram marketing strategy. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you learn from this video. If you learn from this video, guys, smash the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, leave the comment. And if you're looking some free traffic strategy to make more sales through affiliate marketing, I will recommend you to watch these 2 videos, which will help you to drive free traffic and to sell the products.